Wanted to show y'all a few more pieces that I just finished putting the resin top coats on. This one has oils and acrylics in it. This one is not a pour. This is a painting that I did. That's clear. But I do have some oil Pebeo onyx that I poured in the middle, and it's got a lot of definition. It's not a big, I'm going to do a big painting like that. And I always use art resin because of the no VOCs. It's easy to use. I don't feel like it's hurting my respiratory system. This is my Oyster Bay series. This is kind of a sea creature look here and then here. And then look at these little oysters. Maybe it's too, there we go. I want to do a huge painting like this. And here's another coastal painting. It's Riptide. Very fun. I did some small ones. I'm changing all my art out tomorrow. So I've been in here resining all of my paintings that I've been working on because it's easier to do them all at one time. This one's really cute. And then this guy's got some sparkle to him. Oh, you can see the sparkle in that one. And this one is another part of the oyster series. Those aren't really oysters, but just it's the same process. And then here's my first oyster one I did, and they really, really do look like little oysters. And then we're back to this one. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Thank you so much from Fairhope, Alabama.